Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. Today's video will be a little different. I'll be showing you how I wash my bundles. Washing your bundles are one of the best and easiest things you can do prior to installing. If you don't, you can find yourself with tangled, raggedy hair, and that's not cute. That's a no-no. So with that being said, you want to protect your investment no matter how big or how small. Bundles are the Malaysian loose wave. I'll be linking the link inside the description box of where I got it from. Basically, this is the Malaysian loose wave. 22 inch is my longest length, 20 and 18 inch. As well, I also picked up the Creme of Nature coconut milk conditioning shampoo. Great for all hair types, no sulfates or parabens. You can get this shampoo at your local beauty supply store. As well, I'm going to do a deep condition with the silicone mix bamboo. As well, you need a wide tooth comb, which you can grab from your mama's stash. Start off, I'm going to be using hot water. The reason why I'm going to be using hot water is because I want to make sure any bacteria that's on the bundles is killed instantly. And I'm just going to be making sure the water gets run through the bundles. And then I'm going to go in with my Creme of Nature coconut milk detangling shampoo, which you can find at your local beauty supply store. If you're from Toronto, you can find this at BCI or Clory or even Walmart. And you're going to be making sure you rub it in a downward motion. Now that I finished washing my bundles, I'm going to go in with the silicone mix bamboo, and this will be considered as my deep condition. So each bundle, I'm going to make sure I put a generous amount on each bundle, and also I'll be running my comb through each bundle to make sure that there is no knots or tangling from the shampooing. Also, what I like doing is to make sure that my bundles are really having a good deep condition is I like putting my bundles in a shower cap and just laying all the bundles flat inside the shower cap for 20 to 30 minutes, just to make sure that all the deep condition is going through each and every strand. Once you're done, you're just gonna make sure you wash with cold water and you're good to go. Make sure you guys hang to dry. Well, obviously you're gonna hang up your bundles a little bit more better than I did. But this concludes the tutorial. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.